In JavaScript, we use variables to store and manipulate data. Let's explore how to declare and use variables. We can declare variables using the let keyword and assign them a value. For example, we can declare a variable x and assign it the value 5, and declare a variable y and assign it the string hello. JavaScript has several data types, including numbers, strings, booleans, and more. Let's take a look at some examples. We can use the typeof operator to check the data type of a variable. For example, we can log the type of x and y to the console. In summary, variables are used to store and manipulate data, and understanding the different data types is essential for writing effective JavaScript code.